Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you some amazing aesthetic ideas how you can make your garden look amazing and aesthetically beautiful and appealing. Remember to use fairy lights in your garden. As amazing fairy lights add colors to your garden, it is also a very important to add colors to your garden. Also, marble of different colors can also be added. Remember to use architectural designs that are more aesthetically amazing and more aesthetically appealing. Marbles of different colors and different sizes can always be added as they're a source of joy and a source of attraction as well. Not only this, you can also add different crane works as well. Also, with this, you can add different flowers of different colors. Color palette plays an important role. On the left side, you have the colors of different, while colors of different colors can also be added. Not only this, but remember to use lighter colors. And lighter colors also provide a source of greater big areas as well. You can add aesthetically ideas such as you can also make DIYs. By DIYs, you can also add also a lot of furniture to your garden. By adding furniture, remember that you can have a lot of aesthetic ideas as well. Remember to use small plants that are a lot of good in height. Height plants are very important. Remember to use such good work and wood that is long lasting and very much good in its structure. Not only this, but you can also add a lot of other things as well. Remember to use architectural design. Your outdoor spaces must have an area to sit and watch so that you can relax and enjoy yourself. Not only this, but remember to use very much architectural designs and not only this, but architectural monuments as well. So that flowers of each garden can also be used. Not only this, but remember to use not only the flowers, but also the remembrance of the colors. Colors plays an important role. LED lights can also be used. You can also hang flowers from the you can also use lights of different fairy lights, giving a very warm and aesthetic look. Not only this, you can also add aquarium to your places so that might give a look of very mature and very appealing as well. Remember to use and to make flower beds for the wildlife as well, as wildlife can be a great source of aesthetically appealing house. Remember to use such areas where water is also a source of great, amazing, aesthetically appealing and beautiful areas. You can also add aesthetically appealing, very much marble to your outdoor spaces can also be decorated with the furniture as well. You can add a lot of other DIYs ideas, but also do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share with your other fellows, and remember that you can add a lot of other ideas to yourself.